This is an elegant property in an excellent location. Imagine living in a beautiful, private, and centrally located community near Bonifacio Global City, Makati, and Forbes Park. I'm Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we are touring this elegant, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in McKinley West Village, Taguig City. Let's begin by talking about the property size. It has a total floor area of 530 square meters with a lot area of 188 square meters. You have 3 levels with a basement level. You have a carport area here for 4 vehicles. Let's take a quick look. So this has been measured so that you can even have 4 sports utility vehicles here. And you have access here towards your staff room and auxiliary area, as well as a multi-purpose room right here. Now let's head on over towards your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your living area. And here you have a high ceiling space which is positioned at the corner of the property, which also maximizes the morning light coming from the east side of the property right here. You have a sliding door right here, giving you access to a tiled patio area at the side of the living space. And from this angle, you can appreciate the size of your living room. It's large enough that you can even have 2 separate living room sets. And you also have a warm feel because of the natural wood design for the ceiling. You also have these embedded track lights, adding a touch of modernity to the design. Another nice touch is the significant ceiling height as well. And here's a quick look at the side patio as well. This tiled space is a nice usable area which you can maximize for parties and get-togethers. You can have a couple of tables and chairs here. In addition, if you'd like to have some potted plants, there's also a faucet here at the side. And now it's time to explore your dining room. Let's go. Welcome to your dining area, where you have plenty of natural light coming from a large window at the front of the house. You also have that natural wood ceiling, and you have a provision here if you'd like to have your own personalized touch after purchasing the property. The room is large enough to have a large table which can accommodate up to 8 people, potentially even 10 people. And just like the other side of the house, you also have sliding doors here, giving you access to a tiled area on this side. This tiled area can also be explored through the main kitchen. So this is another nice usable space which can be a great alfresco extension of your dining space. Let's head on in. And here we are through the swinging door towards your modern kitchen. The kitchen has a very modern feel. You once again have that significant ceiling height. You already have a built-in oven, induction cooktop, and range hood. And this is where you can have your refrigerator. This space is large enough to have an island countertop as well. And you can access your auxiliary kitchen through this door. Let's take a quick look. Here we are at your auxiliary kitchen space, which gives you direct access towards your parking area. You have a staff bathroom right here, and you have a staff room and a laundry area as well for this level. Now let's head on up. And we're back here in your main kitchen. And through this swinging door, we're back here in your main living area. And when I first got here, I thought this was just a design aspect, but this is actually your powder room. You have quality grohi and color fixtures. And through the main door, you can access your living space and you can access the first room in the house. Let's take a quick look. So this area can be accessed straight from the parking space. You have a storage room right here, and here we have your first room. So this room has a provision for a window type air conditioning unit. And this is a multi-purpose room. This can be a bedroom, a home office, a gym room. And it also has its own ensuite bathroom with natural ventilation as well. And you have large format tiles right here. So the floor is easy to maintain, easy to clean as well. And for orientation's sake, here's your access towards your parking area. Let's head on up. Here we are at your staircase, where you have a great view of your living space. And you also have narrow wood for the steps and the hallway area. The hallway is also maximized with additional storage right here. And let's take a look at your primary bedroom. This angle, you can appreciate the size of this room. You also have that natural wood ceiling. The room is large enough so that you can have furniture on this side and then a king-sized bed on the other side, and you have a large floor-to-ceiling window facing the front of the house right here. In addition, you have thick screens for the window as well. And you have such a nice view of the surrounding community. You already have a provision for split type air conditioning unit for this room and the other rooms as well. And right here you have your walk-in closet space and bathroom. You have a dresser space upon entering. A full-length mirror with storage, and a separate walk-in closet room with exposed shelves and natural ventilation as well. And on the other side, you have your bathroom area. With a dual vanity sink space. I like that there's so much space here for toiletries. You have quality color branded fixtures. There's also a provision for an air conditioning unit here as well because of the size of the space. And you have a frosted glass sliding partition here for your toilet area, bath area, and your alcove bathtub. You have frosted glass here as well for privacy, of course. Now let's head on back towards your hallway space. Now on top of the 5 rooms in the property, you have a 6th room, which is a family room right here. That's why you have this window for the door, since this is meant to be a common area. family room has a floor-to-ceiling window, giving you a great view of your living space and even all the way to the front of the house. So it gives such a nice and open feel, and you can imagine having a sofa set right here and a large television set for movie nights. Okay. Now let's head on up towards the third level. Let's go. Welcome to the third level. And at the hallway space, you have an area right here which can serve as a nice coffee bar. So you already have an outlet right here. And here we have your third bed. Positioned at the front of the house, it's a corner room. You have a large floor-to-ceiling window once again facing the front of the house. It's an almost square-shaped room, so it's easy to organize your furniture. You have a sliding door here leading towards your ensuite bathroom. Once again with quality Kohler and Rohi branded fixtures. Here on the other side, you have your fourth bedroom. It's positioned at the south side of the property. You can easily have a semi-double bed right here. And the windows have hidden screens here as well. And this fourth room has storage space. And here you have your ensuite bathroom. And now it's time to explore your fifth room. In addition, this panel right here leads to additional storage as well. And let's take a look at your fifth room. It's positioned at the corner of the property on the other side from the third bedroom. So this is almost, once again, almost a square-shaped room. And the difference for this particular bedroom is that there's a clear separation between the storage and the bathroom. So you have your closet area right here. And then another sliding door leading to your ensuite bathroom. So there are subtle differences between the three rooms here at the third level, but they all have their own bathrooms. And now let's head on back towards your living space. For joining us in this tour. And if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. In addition, you can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.